Beta X6 is Foxpower hybrid solar inverter. This hybrid solar inverter is designed to generate continuous power from PV solar modules, battery, and the utility. This inverter is only compatible with PV module types of single crystalline and polycrystalline. The following is a brief introduction to the products of Beta X6. First is the PV connectors, AC grid connectors, battery connectors, AC output connectors, generator input/programmable load output. Next is the external sensor port, dry contact and USB communication port, BMS and RS-232 communication port, LCD display panel, operation buttons, current sharing port, parallel communication port, PV switch and cold start button. The inverter is equipped with several communication ports and it is also equipped with a slot for alternative communication interfaces in order to communicate with a PC with corresponding software. Please install monitoring software in your computer. After software is installed, you may initial the monitoring software and extract data through communication port. This unit is equipped with a Wi-Fi transmitter. Wi-Fi transmitter can enable wireless communication between off-grid inverters and monitoring platform. Users can access and control the monitored inverter with downloaded app. You may find Solar Power Wi-Fi app from the Apply registered trademark store or Solar Power in Google registered trademark Play Store. All data loggers and parameters are saved in iCloud. This is the Beta X6 hybrid solar inverter operation LCD panel, including 4 touchable function keys and an LCD display for indicating working status and input-output power information. Indicates AC input voltage and frequency. Indicates AC output power, voltage, frequency, or current. Indicates PV input voltage, power or current. Allow AC and PV charging. Only PV charging is allowed. Indicates battery voltage, battery current, charging status or battery parameters. Indicates battery level in battery mode. Indicates the warning and fault codes. Indicates date and time or the date and time user set for querying energy generation. Indicates solar panels. Icon flashing indicates PV input voltage is out of range. Indicates utility. Icon flashing indicates utility voltage or frequency is out of range. Indicates battery condition. And the lattice of the icon indicates battery capacity. Indicates AC output for loads is enabled and inverter is providing power to the connected loads. Indicates AC output for loads is enabled but there is no power provided from inverter. At this time, no battery and the utility are available. Only PV power exists but is not able to provide power to the connected loads. Indicates overload. Indicates parallel operation is working. Would you like to learn more about our Beta X6? Then contact us as soon as possible, and our next video will explain the LCD settings of Beta X6.